Children of God, lift up your voices to the Lord, because this is the hour of liberation. Let us pray. Let us pray with all the people in heaven. We have prayed. Amen. Brethren, this is your day of salvation. Jesus can deliver you from the oppression of the devil. Do you want a new life? Jesus said, "Come unto me, all you that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest." My brothers and sisters, I want to invite you today to come over and surrender your life to Christ. If you are here today and you are ready to open the door of your heart to the Lord Jesus, because He is knocking at the door, open your heart to Him and let Him come. Please, I want you to come forward. Come forward and be saved. Come forward and be delivered from the oppression of the enemy. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, thank you, Jesus. He loves you. He wants to save you. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Brethren, I want to begin to thank God for the life of this. Yes, because we are about making the most important decision. Receiving the Lord Jesus.
Yes, come in.
Sister Francisca, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Glory be to God. Please have your seat.
Here you are, Sam.
I know you will prefer this. But why did it take you so long?
I'm sorry.
I needed time to make the right choice. Would you like this drink?
No, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
I'm alright. Sister Francisca, this place is very beautiful. You are blessed to own such a big and beautiful supermarket.
Thanks, Sister Fumi. You know, Sam opened this supermarket for me.
That's great.
That's what I see as the first miracle before my wedding.
Wow. Glory be to God. Well, I believe all is set for your wedding.
We still have a lot of preparations to make.
That's why you've been so busy. You and Bro Sam have not been attending church for the past 3 weeks.
It's true. You know, Sam travels a lot. And apart from the wedding preparations, I need more time to build up my business.
But Sister Francisca, about our last discussion, have you discussed with Bro Sam? I mean, have you told him about your past?
No. I don't need to know everything about her past. At least, I have met with her parents. Her parents are loving and kind. She's from a good village. She's a Christian. She's loving, caring, and beautiful. She's the kind of...
All right. I know you have made up your mind. Please, let's continue this discussion later.
All right.
Sister Fumi, I'm not ready to tell Sam now. I don't want to lose Sam, and I don't want to hurt his feelings. I believe as a new creature, all things are passed away.
You are right. But I also see the importance of building a good foundation for your marriage. If you love each other, you need to sit down together, pray together, and...
All right. Give me time to think about it.
I now declare you husband and wife. In the name of the Father, amen. And of the Son, amen. And of the Holy Spirit.
Thank you, Lord. Jesus, thank you for the success of this wedding.
Thank you.
Francisca, today is my happiest day.
Today is also my happiest day.
Are you alright? Let me get you some water. Yeah. How are you feeling this morning? Please get up and take your breakfast.
Alright, but...
It's your favorite. You'll get better afterward. Getting better?
I don't think so. My head is heavy this morning. Headache.
Headache? That means we need to go to the hospital.
Mr. Sam, I believe your wife is okay. The headache might be due to stress. She definitely needs a lot of rest. And madam, please take your drugs.
Sam!
Tinu?
Sam the truth.
Tinu, my God! So this is you?
Yes, Sam the Great.
What are you doing here?
My husband works here.
I see. Ha. Wow. So you're married and you never invited me to your wedding?
I'm so sorry.
Anyway.
Leave my husband alone. Go and find your own husband. Prostitute. Husband snatcher. If you come near him again, I swear I will kill you.
Timade, please, I'm very, very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. Francisca, what has come over you? Okay, please enter the car and let's go home.
Never. I'd say never. I am going nowhere. I am going nowhere. Husband snatcher.
Timade, please. Timade, please, I'm very sorry. I will get in touch with you. I will look for you. I will look for you. I'm very, very sorry, please.
Rose? Rose? Rose?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you clean my office this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
You are a liar.
I'm sorry, ma. Ma, sorry. Hope all is well, ma. Yes, ma. Ma, are you alright? Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Out of my office!
I don't know what came over me that day. I actually disgraced Sam before his friends. I have never been so angry like that before. I apologized, but I know it will be very hard for him to forgive me.
Take care.
Thank you.
Are you all right?
I don't think so. I'm sorry. I don't know what is wrong with me.
There's just one thing you need.
Tell me.
You need Jesus. Yes, he's the only true liberator.
Not again, friend. Not again. Excuse me.
Dear, please let me get my phone.
Alright.
Hello? Who are you? Becky, I know. Who are you and how may I help you? Okay, I'm sorry. I can't tell him. You may call him back. Nonsense. Lady, if you call my husband again, I swear I will get you arrested. Nonsense.
And who was that? My God. Becky called?
Yes, she called.
And why did you talk to her like that?
Nonsense. Husband snatcher.
Oh, no, not again, not again. Tell me this is not true. You have just spoken to my new boss. Woman, why are you doing this to me? Why?
You are a liar. Liar.
Sorry, my son.
So my daughter Francisca did this to you?
Please, woman, would you allow me to talk? My son, what I am about to tell you may be unbelievable, but it's true. When Francisca was in this village, she was so humble. She made peace between her peers. In fact, she was nicknamed the peacemaker.
Yes, so.
Even when she completed her secondary education in this village, her teachers and principal gave her different gifts and awards for the kind of student she was. Few years later, she got admission into the university. But we couldn't get the necessary financial support to further her education. My wife and I tried to get her money, but
things were so difficult for us then. We even begged her to wait for another year, but she refused.
She was so determined. She went to the city with the little money on her. For almost 4 years, Francisca didn't come home. But she wrote us letters every 3 months. I don't know. Maybe some changes had happened to her during those years. She came home twice after then. The last time was when she was preparing for her wedding.
Sir, I'm very sorry to tell you this. That she's no longer the woman I knew.
Mba.
Like a chameleon, she acts differently every day. Sometimes I think I live with a demon.
Hey!
Can't you see? Your daughter nearly killed me. I don't think I can continue with her. because she's too dangerous. Too dangerous.
Sister Francisca.
I don't know why I had to wed. I don't know why I fall sick often. Sister Fumi, I feel terrible. My home is collapsing. And I can't explain why.
He can tell you everything you need to know. He can take away your burdens. He can help you build your home. Listen to your best friend, Jesus. Yeah, listen to him.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, sir. Please, I don't think
Yes, I'm Adegboyega, your husband's childhood friend. He calls me DJ.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thanks.
Come in, please.
Is my friend around?
No, but he will soon be back from work. Come and wait for him.
Alright, I parked my car in the next street, so I have to go and repark it. Just give me some minutes, I'll be back.
Alright, you're welcome.
Thanks.
I'll be expecting you.
How are you? Thank you very much.
Did you meet him on your way?
Who?
Mr. Adegboyega, your childhood friend.
Who? Did I hear you?
Mr. Adegboyega, he said you call him DJ. He decided to wait for you when I told him you'll be back from work. He said he wants to drive you and he parked in the next street. Let me get a glass of water.
No. This can't be true. DJ?
Maybe he's not coming back. He said...
I'm very sorry to ask you again. Are you sure it was the Adegboyega you saw?
That was only he called himself.
Okay. Excuse me. I'll be back in a minute.
Take a look at these pictures. Is this the man you saw?
Yeah, that is him.
That means you're right. This is Deji Bajowa.
He was my best friend.
Was your best friend? How do you mean?
Deji Bajowa died 7 years ago.
I saw him. He came.
Yeah. This is not something you need to worry yourself about, okay? That's my phone ringing. I think I left it in the room. Excuse me, please.
Who called?
I called.
No.
What's wrong? What? Yeah. Yeah.
What's her condition now?
The doctor said you need to observe and examine her for some hours. That they need to carry out some tests on her. Presently, they can't actually tell what is wrong with her. And she's in a state of coma. I think we need to act fast. That's why I called you. For me, we need spiritual help.
definitely, you need to take the first step.
Which is?
Draw close to God and He will draw close to you.
I know I've been too busy with my works. I don't have time for God. But I'm ready to do everything. I mean, anything He tells me to do. For me, I'm ready to draw close to God. Please, let me tell God not to be too busy to listen to me. I need God's help urgently. I mean, now. Thank you very much, Doctor. This is my pastor, Pastor Fred.
Welcome, Pastor.
Thank you. And here is my wife's friend, Sister Afoni.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Doctor.
Sir, you said we should see you in your office. Please, how far about her?
Yes, as you know, your wife came in with severely elevated blood pressure, and blood sugar was 590 milligrams per year. And as you know, she came in unconscious, and she's still unconscious. Up till now, she has not responded well to all treatments given to her. Our findings showed that her 2 kidneys have also been affected.
Jesus.
And as a result of this, she may need dialysis.
Dialysis?
And at this point, I'd like to say that you may need to start praying for her. She definitely needs divine intervention. I also believe that God cures all.
What are you doing?
I'm watching every of your steps, Francisca Otige.
How do you know my name? Who are you?
Stop asking me questions. Have your seat. I formed you in your mother's womb. I knew you before you were born. Why have you decided to live life your own way?
How do you mean, sir?
The thoughts I have towards you are thoughts of peace and not of evil, to give you an expected end. My plans for you are good plans. Why have you decided to destroy your life? Why have you chosen death? Your body is my temple. Why have you chosen to destroy my temple? I believe you remember.
Hey, gay. You cannot survive on these couples. without the other source of income.
Which is?
The same thing we've been telling you. You necessarily need some aristo to take care of yourself.
It's God's holiday to get cool money. I mean cash.
Francisca, tell me, for how long will you continue to disturb your old parents in the village? For how long will you continue to suffer and struggle in school? And you can't continue to feed it like a baby.
Abio.
Francisca, we are your best friends in this university. I will know what is best for you.
Hey, Papi. How now? Yes, I received the cash. Thank you. I'm very grateful, Papi. Okay. Here. Tomorrow evening. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll be starting my exam next tomorrow. Just Saturday night. Ah, no problem, no problem. Okay, bye. I love you too. Yeah. Hey, big
Yes, oh, this one a big fish. Francis! Hey, now professional you be. I salute you now.
Inkem, I must be frank with you. I'm not comfortable with this.
Then tell me, do you have any other job that can fetch you more money like this?
This is not all about money. I need to take care of my health. Health is wealth, you know. I nearly killed myself during my encounter with that animal, Fredo. Okay. Besides, do I have to use up my body before getting married?
Francisca, married. Do you ever think of getting married after all?
Inkem, this is not a joking matter.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. So go on.
Sleeping with different men every time is not a joke. Apart from contracting deadly diseases, this body no be stone now.
Francisca, I know.
That's why I need your help. I always wonder how you can have fun sleeping with different men every time without you depreciating. I know you very well. You can be in bed with different men for her without you knowing it. What's your secret?
This is the secret, my daughter. You don't need to do the job yourself. You can just ask the spirit to help you, and you just continue to make your money.
How do you mean, Baba?
I think your friend will explain to you.
Francisca, this is what has been sustaining me for the past 8 years. Baba helped me with a charm. I employ animals to do the job for me.
I still can't understand.
My daughter, you will choose between a goat, pig, or dog. You will use one of these animals for the concussion. You will just use it to rub your private part anytime you want to start the job. The man having fun with you is actually having fun with a goat, pig, or dog. It depends on the animal you choose.
That is ridiculous.
Yes, but that's the only way out.
But it must have a terrible consequence.
Not on you, my daughter, but on any man who sleeps with you.
But what happens to them?
Their destinies shall be shattered, and they can never be successful in life.
Their death will eventually come from the hands of this animal. The animal will strike them in their dream one day, and
that is the end.
You don't need to fear. You will be getting richer and stronger, while those men sleeping with you are living dead. And I promise you, you will have everything you desire, and breakthrough will always come your way.
Lie. That is a lie. The devil is the father of all liars. You were deceived and you made a covenant with the devil. You went deeper into the sin of prostitution. You sold your body for money and pleasure. You destroyed the lives of many men. Wisdom will save a man from a immoral woman, from the seductive words of the promiscuous woman. Entering her house leads to death. It is the road to the grave. The man who visits her is doomed. He will never reach the path of life.
I stopped prostitution. I was single and I got married to Sam.
No, Francisca. You were not single. You were never single before you met Sam. You've been married too many times.
How do you mean?
Let me explain some things to you about sex and marriage. Marriage is not going to the courthouse or to the altar. Partners are chosen in the spiritual realm. Men are the projectors and women are the acceptors. Men release and women receive the impartation. You get a deposit each time you sleep with a man.
This means
when a woman sleeps with a man, in the spiritual realm, the spirit of the man enters the body of the woman and they become one. You become one with the man you slept with. You've been married too many times because anytime you slept with a man, you married him.
oh my God. Jesus.
It's coming. Francisca. Oh, Francisca. Francisca. Is this you? Longest time. Oh, you're looking sweet.
Hey, guy. That's my seat. I need you don't mind.
Ha, Tony, meet my childhood friend, Chinedu.
Excuse me. I don't need any introduction. And for you guys, listen. Anytime I see you near my girl,
I'm not going out with your woman.
I swear I will kill you.
Tony, what's the meaning of this?
What did they do this one? Take care of yourself. You take Grace! This guy you get! You take Grace!
Tony Emelu, a furious man, full of rage and jealousy. You went out with this man many times. You slept with him many times. Do you remember George? George Humes.
George.
Yep.
George, are you okay?
Yeah, I'll be fine. I have some slight headache. Please help me get my pills.
Right away.
This headache. Oh, my head. What of it?
You also have this man in you. It manifests an illness in you. Are you getting my point?
and the horrible experience of seeing dead people, are they connected to what you're saying?
Yes. Do you remember that terrible night?
So, what's your plan tonight?
The whole night, of course. I mean the whole night.
Interesting. That shows you have to pay more tonight.
You see, tonight is different. I promise you.
I can't wait. Excuse me. Let me make myself comfortable.
It's okay.
I can't forget that horrific night.
And this is a man you slept with. Not once. Not even twice. This man is possessed with the spirit of death. His spirit is in you. And the manifestation is meeting with dead people. This is a spirit of destruction.
Oh God.
You are still attached. You have a lot of men in you. Chinedu, George, Tony, SK, Rotimi, and lots more. Their spirits are in you. And there's a war going on in your spirit right now. The experiences you had after your wedding was due to the manifestation of those spirits. You only pretended to know me because of the experience you went through. You have made up your mind to choose death instead of life.
Who are you? Please help me. I don't want to end my life like this.
I'm the way, the truth, and the life.
Francisca. Doctor! Doctor!
The soul that sins shall die.
Jesus, deliver me, help me. I don't want to end my life like this. Jesus, please.
Doctor. Doctor, what's wrong with that?
Have mercy. Mercy, please. Have mercy. Oh, Jesus, help me.
We did what?
We lost her. Just please be a man. Take her, please.
I will have mercy on you.
Your white garment that has been stained with blemishes will become white again.
Thank you.
You will have life again. Go.
Jesus, thank you.
And sin no more.
Thank you. Thank you, Jesus.
Francisca. Francisca. Are you okay? Francisca.
It was a battle that Jesus won for me. I was purged, purified by God's words, like the taking out of layers. I was processed after genuine repentance. The flashbacks, the desires, the nightmare were replaced with God's love and divine breakthrough. Indeed, God is merciful.
But now I'm fine, yes. Wallowing in sin, what a wretched life. He brought me out from darkness to light. Put his loving hands around me. What did he